Then भैया, shall we start? So for Colruyt law questions, first question is lambda m naught CH3COOH we have to find. Lambda m naught CH3COONA is given as X. Lambda m naught HCl is given as Y. And lambda m naught NaCl is given as Z. So how to do this model bhaiya? So this model is target equation method like we have done in the E naught case. Let's see now. So can I say CH3COOH is nothing but CH3COO minus and H plus conductance? According to Colruyt law, molar conductance at infinite dilution is the sum of the individual ion conductance. CH3COOH, CONA I can say CH3COO minus Na plus. HCl I can say H plus Cl minus. NaCl I can say Na plus Cl minus. So this is my target equation. This is equation number 1, 2, 3. Using 1, 2 and 3, we have to find the target equation. So number 1, what I need in my target? First thing I need is CH3CO minus. Who will give me CH3CO minus? First equation. But once I got CH3CO minus, extra garbage of Na plus came. See bhai, Na plus I did not want in my target. But if I am adding equation number 1, so Na plus coming extra. What else I want? H plus. So if I want H plus, I will add the second equation. But this garbage Cl minus came extra. So I got CH3CO minus, I got H plus. But Na plus and Cl minus came extra. So I should subtract NaCl from the final answer. So bhaiya lambda m naught of acetic acid will come X plus Y minus Z. Say bhai, any doubt up to here? Is this model clear to everyone? Say bhai, is this model clear? Chaliye, one more we can solve. One more we can try. Lambda m naught H2C2O4 oxalic acid we have to find. Lambda m naught of Na2C2O4 is given. Lambda m naught of H2SO4 is given. Lambda m naught of Na2SO4 is given. So this is given 400, 700, 450 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Same model bhai, same model. Write the ions separately and find the target equation. So in the first case, you will have 2H plus and C2O4 2 minus. Second case, 2Na plus and C2O4 2 minus. Third case, 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. Fourth case, 2Na plus and SO4 2 minus. Check bhai. I have written my target equation. I have written equation number 1, 2, 3. Using 1, 2, 3, I have to again get the target equation here. Pretty simple. Same to same I will do again. In my target, I need Rendu H plus. Rendu H plus will be given to me by equation number 2. But SO4 2 minus garbage will come. Garbage I am representing by cloud. Then in my target I need oxalate ion C2O4 2 minus. C2O4 2 minus equation number 1 will give me. But it will also give me garbage of 2Na plus. Now correct Govind. Suraj Govind correct. 2Na plus and sulfate. This is the extra garbage. This garbage has to be released. So to delete that garbage, I will subtract equation number 3. So lambda m naught of oxalic acid will be equal to second plus first minus third. Second means 700 plus first means 400 minus third means 450. So 650 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Say bhai, This one also clear? By mistake on, okay. Clear भैया? By mistake it went live on YouTube also. Bhai, this is personal class. Private class it is. By mistake came here. Here 31 are watching the lecture also. बहुत बढ़िया. Hello, बाबूनारा, मंचुगुन्नानु, नी मंचुगुन्नानु. Anyway, carrying on. Next example. Write down the question. Lambda m naught of barium sulfate you will find. Lambda m naught of BaCl2, lambda m naught of H2SO4, and lambda m naught of HCl is given to you. So this is given as 280, this is given 860, this is given 426. Simon centimeter square mole inverse. त्वरगा solve भाई. त्वरगा solve. Luckily, before scolding anyone, I saw it is publicly going on. So your respect will be left here. Today I will not scold any of my student because scolding has to be done in the small closed room, not in front of the public. Targa solve bhai, everyone. Quickly try. Carefully make the clouds. If you are making the cloud carefully, then only answer will come. Otherwise, wrong answer will start coming by. Carefully make the clouds. So, ions written separately. BaCl2 is 1 barium 2 plus and 2 Cl minus. H2SO4 is 2 H plus and SO4 2 minus. Vidashri wrong. Visheshya correct. Hanudeep correct. Carefully make the cloud here, carefully. So our target equation now, I need Ba2 plus in the target equation. Who will give the Ba2 plus? Dhanush wrong. Kusuma wrong. Hanji, who will give me Ba2 plus? First equation will give the Ba2 plus. Check. Cl minus is the garbage coming extra. That's the cloud. Extra garbage Cl minus coming. Kavita wrong. Next I need in my target SO4 2 minus. So SO4 2 minus second equation. But along with the SO4 2 minus 2H plus garbage came. Now after adding 1 and 2, 2 Cl minus and 2 plus are the garbage na? Garbage is not HCl, auntie, hello. Garbage is 2H plus and 2 Cl minus. So if you are subtracting third equation, ki sir, 1 plus 2 minus 3, sir, 1 plus 2 minus 3, so here also 1 plus 2, auntie, carefully do. If you are doing 1 plus 2 minus 3, wrong answer will come. You have to subtract how much garbage? Double garbage. So 2 also you will multiply na yaar. 2 times of H plus, 2 times of Cl minus has to be subtracted bhaiya. That's the only mistake that people do, otherwise answer will always come correct. So barium sulfate will be first equation how much? 280. Second equation how much? 860 minus 426 into 2. This came to 88 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. How bhaiya? Understood where the problem will come? Where the problem will come clear bhai? Correct bhai Gyaneshwar, Sirisha, correct. चलिए निवेदिता बेटा check the calculation here. Kavita now correct. चलिए going ahead now. I think clear. This multiplying with 2 was the main topic here. Now we have to do degree of dissociation question. Degree of dissociation is alpha. डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन अल्फा, क्लियर भैया? अल्फा इज लैम्डा mc by lambda m naught, अंडरस्टूड भैया? lambda mc by lambda m naught, that is alpha. So how to find alpha? Alpha is lambda mc by lambda m naught. Lambda mc comes from kappa into 1000 by m. Remember last week we have done kappa into 1000 by m. And lambda m naught just now we have done using Colrausch law we can find. This thing if understood, automatically alpha you will get, and if alpha you got, you will automatically get the answer for the next thing also, that is dissociation constant. Filling in the done by. This is degree of dissociation. They can also ask you dissociation constant. Dissociation constant K will be C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. All this you will learn in the ionic equilibrium by C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha, which is approximately C alpha square if alpha is less than 0.1. So 0.0 something is alpha, 0.08, 0.09, 0.008. In that case, you can directly use dissociation constant equal to C alpha square, where C is the concentration. So if I ask you dissociation constant, first you have to find alpha. How to find alpha? Lambda mc by lambda m naught. Say by, clear? Lambda mc by lambda m naught. What is the meaning of lambda mc? Molar conductance at concentration C, kappa into 1000 by m. What is lambda m naught? Molar conductance at infinite dilution. Done by? So one numerical एकदम freshly prepared can we do? एकदम fresh prepared. चलिए. So the question is, find degree of dissociation and dissociation constant of acetic acid 0.001 molar solution whose conductivity is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 Simon centimeter inverse. Lambda m naught value given to you for CH3, COO minus and H plus. The value given is 50 and 350 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Done by? What they are asking me? They are asking me number one alpha. To find alpha, I need lambda mc by lambda m naught. For lambda m naught, so they have given me the data. They gave me the data directly. So I can directly find lambda m naught. So sir, lambda m naught of acetic acid will be lambda m naught of CH3COO minus and lambda m naught of H plus. That is 50 plus 350. So 400 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. This is the molar conductance at infinite dilution we got. How to find lambda mc? Sir, for lambda mc, you told us kappa into 1000 by m, we have done in the last week only. So kappa into 1000 by m. How much is kappa? Conductivity. So conductivity kappa is given as 3 × 5 into 1000 by molarity 0.001. So 0.001 can I say 10 to the power minus 3 also, yaar? 3 decimal place na. So 10 to the power minus 3. So I will get here 30 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. How? Minus 3 power will go up, plus 3. 10 power 3 plus 3, 6. Power 6 minus 1, so power 1 left. 3 into 10, 30. Now you can find alpha comfortably. Sir, how much is alpha? Alpha is lambda mc by lambda m naught. Lambda mc came 30. lambda m naught came 400, तो 30 by 400 means 3 by 40, that is 0.075. That's your degree of dissociation. And if they ask you dissociation constant K, that is C alpha square. C is the concentration, bhai. How much is the concentration? How much is concentration? 10 to the power minus 3 into 3 by 40 whole square. C alpha square. Check, bhai. NCERT solved example model. Clear? NCERT solved example model clear, bhai. Done? Check. Any problem, समस्या, पीड़ा? So lambda MC value is 0.3. Beta, check one more time, yaar. Kaushik, one more time. 1 minus alpha should take, na sir, it is less than 0.1. Akash, bhai. If it is less than 0.1, you have to take C alpha square, na bhaiya? Why we do that? Understand. If I say alpha is less than 0.1, let's say alpha was 0.075. If I take 1 minus alpha, 1 minus 0.075, how much you will get? 0.925. Approximately 1 only, na? Clear? Akash, you also clear? Kaushik, okay, no problem. Akash, clear? 1 minus alpha we are taking as 1. Why? Because alpha is very less, 0.075. It is less than 0.1. Done? Chaliye, little better question, little tough question we can do. Going ahead, giving you a little better question now. Ready? Done? A sec. Tell me, anyone have any other doubt? Clarify, otherwise give me the affirmation, I can go ahead. Done, badhiya. Now let's do the next question. Write down the question. Find normality of a solution of HA which has degree of dissociation 90%. If limiting equivalent conductance is 425 Simon centimeter square equivalent inverse and conductivity is 3.825 Simon centimeter inverse. That's your question. Normality they are asking you. Degree of dissociation given 90%. Let's break down the question into symbols. Let's break down this question into symbol. Degree of dissociation 90% means alpha is 90%. 90 per 90%. 90 per 100. So alpha given as 0.9. Limiting equivalent conductance. What's the symbol we use for limiting? Limiting means not. limiting equivalent conductance is 425 Simon centimeter square equivalent inverse. Kappa given 3.825 Simon centimeter inverse. What they are asking me, correct Ritika, what they are asking me, normality. तो normality तो भाई we will find by kappa into 1000 by m. Kappa into 1000 by m, remember here. Hello. In this formula, if I apply kappa into 1000 by n, then also I can get lambda equivalent. So from here I can get normality, but for that I need to apply alpha formula. Alpha is lambda equivalent c by lambda equivalent naught. Lambda mc, lambda m naught, or lambda equivalent you write, both are same only. What is lambda equivalent? We don't know. Alpha 0.9. Alpha is 0.9. Lambda equivalent c, we don't know. Lambda equivalent naught 425 given, sir. Very good. So how much is lambda equivalent at concentration C? Is 425 into 0.9. So 9 5 45, carry 4, 9 to 18, 22, carry 2, 9 4 36, 38. So 382.5 Simon centimeter square equivalent inverse. Say bhai, finding lambda MC any problem? Finding lambda MC any problem? I use my formula alpha equal to lambda C by lambda naught. Lambda naught given in the question. Lambda C I got. Alpha was also given. And once I got lambda C, I know the formula. What the formula, sir? Bhai, lambda C, remember? Lambda C is kappa into 1000 by n. Na? How much is kappa given? So, sir, lambda C is 382.5. Kappa is 3.825 into 1000 by n. You will cut it and will come 10 naught. Say bhai, kuncham kuncham veliginda, mind lo bulb veliginda. Check by check. Any problem? Comfortable now? Alpha will be lambda MC by lambda m naught. And lambda MC is kappa into 1000 by m or n, whatever they are asking. And lambda naught, Cole-Rasch law. Here to directly given. Previous question, Cole-Rasch law he applied. Shall we go to next model? Last model of the day. Done? Okay, great. Next. Sparingly soluble salt, or simply we can say precipitate. Sparingly soluble salt or precipitate. Which are the precipitate we are discussing? Is AgCl, AgBr, AgI, PbSO4, BaSO4. These are 1:1 type of salt. That means they have one cation, one anion. 1 Pb2 plus 1 sulfate, 1 barium 2 plus 1 sulfate, 1:1 type of salt. For such kind of salt, KSP, solubility product, will be S square. Solubility product of the solubility, it is represented by KSP S square, where S is the solubility. All this will come in ionic. Solubility is nothing but molarity of dissociated salt in saturated solution. Why? AgCl is a less soluble salt. It's a precipitate. So AgCl in a container will remain at the bottom here. This is AgCl. Very negligible AgCl will dissociate, very less AgCl will dissociate to form Ag plus and Cl minus. So 90% remain like this, around 10% dissociated. Now tell me one very important concept here. I am reading molar conductance. Who are the charge carriers? In this conductance topic, who are the charge carrier for the electrolytic conductors? Twarga reply. Who are the charge carriers? Who are charge carriers? In the electrolytic conductors, who are the charge carriers? Ions. Now tell me, this AgCl 90% or this Ag plus and Cl minus 10%, who is responsible for conductance? This 90% undissociated or this 10% dissociated, who is responsible for conductance by? So 10% dissociated. Ions are responsible, na? Clear, bhai sahab? So when I write lambda m, kappa into 1000 by m, molarity. Now tell me, should I write the molarity of AgCl or should I write the molarity of the dissociated AgCl? Who will give me lambda m? Who will give me molar conductance? Who will give me conductance? AgCl concentration will give me or dissociated AgCl concentration will give me? Who will give me molar conductance? Concept clear na? Conductance is by ion. Ion comes by dissociation. These are precipitate. They don't dissociate completely. So for them, writing molarity in the denominator is not correct, bhai. Write S. So what is S? S is also molarity. But which molarity? Dissociated salt. That salt which is providing you iron. Not the total salt. 1 kg AgCl added. In the water I added 1 kg AgCl. Does not matter, bhai. 10 gram dissociated. That 10 gram will give me conductance. Say, bhai. So lambda MC, now the formula is lambda MC is kappa of the salt into 1000 by S. What is S? Solubility. And once you get the solubility by this formula, put it here, you will get KSP also. Say, bhai, any problem, samasya, pida? Problem unda? So this KSP VSP part is not the point here. The point here is this topic, electrochemistry. KSP, though you will learn in ionic equilibrium in detail. Our concern is who are the charge carriers, who are the provider of the charge, who carry the electricity, who conducts the electricity? Ions. Chaliye, let's solve one question. Achha, one more thing. If someone asks you how to find kappa of salt, simple. Solution minus water. Just like you say in the stoichiometry topic, na, solute is solution minus solvent. Same to same. Clear, bhaiya? Done, bhai. So kappa of salt is kappa of solution minus kappa for water. Say, bhai, any problem samasya pida up to here? This you will not use. This you will use only if kappa solution and kappa water is given in the question. Otherwise, don't use. Sometimes what happens, we teach so much conceptually correct things, and in the NEET examination, they ask very low level question. So the students start doing the question wrong according to NEET. So this is the properly correct concept. But if they don't give you kappa of solution, kappa of water separately, then don't do this. Whatever kappa, if only one kappa given, put that kappa in the formula, get the answer. If the question is low level, solve low level. But concept we should know completely. So can I give the question now? Bhai, one numerical can I give? You will apply the numerical, twarga answer will come, you will also feel happy. Great. Question is, find solubility product of AgCl if its conductivity is 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 Simon centimeter inverse. Molar conductance of solution is 0.1 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. चलिए भैया त्वरगा ट्राई. Very simple question. I don't think you will need me to give you one demo of this. I think directly many of you will be able to get the answer. Try everyone. Solubility product they are asking, not solubility. First find solubility, then the square of this solubility product will come. Try everyone. So lambda m kappa into 1000 by s. Try. Hanudeep, correct. Correct. I know this much you will be able to do. I don't think problem will come. Chaliye, everyone check now. Lambda m given to me. Kappa given to me. So lambda m 0.1 is kappa 3 10 to minus 9 into 1000 by s. So how to find s? Simple. 3 10 to minus 9 and 3. So minus 6 upon 0.1. 10 to minus 1 goes up plus 1. So 3 into 10 to minus 5 molar will come. That is solubility. They are asking solubility product KSP. That is going to be s square. So 3 into 10 to minus 5 whole square. So answer is 9 into 10 to minus 10. Say bhaiya, problem unda? Fasak. Done bhai. Done. Check everyone. Any problem is there? Done bhai. Thank you, Akash. Don't worry. Now in next class, Faraday also you will understand. Finally, last model. I'm just telling you, questions no need to do on this, but same to same, one more model is there. For water, they can ask you, lambda m is kappa, lambda m of water will be kappa of water into 1000 by. Now again, same for water also. Tell me, water will dissociate to form H plus and OH minus, na? Water will dissociate to form H plus and OH minus. So molar conductance of water is because of A, or out of A, X dissociated. Out of A, how much dissociated? X. Who will be giving the conductance? A will give the conductance or X will give the conductance? So sir, conductance is because of ion. ions are decided by how much water dissociated. So sir, molar conductance will not depend upon molarity of water. It will depend upon molarity of dissociated water. So if I apply this formula, just like the last question, kappa into 1000 by S, KSP is S square, same to same. There is something called as KW, you might have heard before, ionic product of water. That is H plus into OH minus. That means X into X. Right? X into X na, X square, same to same. So here also KW will come out to be dissociated water whole square. Same to same. Why I am telling it this here? Generally they will not ask this in the NEET examination. This comes in the JEE syllabus. But this much hard work we have done. KSP S square came. Same to same. Water also, lambda m for water, kappa of water, 1000 by dissociated water. Just like KSP will be S square, for water KW, W for water, KW will be S square for water. In place of S, I will say dissociated water. Getting? Why for sparingly soluble salt, for precipitate, same thing that you have done na? Lambda m of the salt solution will be kappa of the salt into 1000 by S. And KSP was S square. Same to same. In place of S, I am saying water dissociated. This was also dissociated concentration. This is also dissociated concentration. This is S square. This is dissociated concentration square. Say bhai, any problem, any samasya, any pid up to here. So if they ask you ionic product, KW, KSP, whatever they are asking you, equilibrium constant only they are asking, na? Name of the symbol will change. At the core level, the concept same only, na? Solubility product, product of solubility. Ionic product, product of ions. At the core level, the concept same only. Done. So this is your weekend syllabus. PACE syllabus is done. Next class we will do Faraday's law of electrolysis, where we will get the gym material for solving the problems. Beta, you can get this in the campus. If you have contact number of any of the vice principal or anyone who give the admission, you can ask them to keep it for you. But in the campus, books are available. So if you have gym material, you can do question number 16 to 22. Exercise number 1. Question number 16 to 22 you can do if you have the gym material. Exercise number 1, question number 16 to 22. Faraday's law not there in this week. No, only product of electrolysis there. That means if you want exercise question, then exercise number 1, question number 84, 81, I think 81, 84, 89, 90. 84, 89, 90 you can do exercise number 1. For the last lecture which I said. And exercise number 2, question number 40, 52, 53. That's your weekend syllabus. So Saroja, I will try to send. You can WhatsApp me, I will send you. 88750. I'll 1 second. चलिए भाई, online टाटा बाय बाय. Online means YouTube. Ha, Saroja, 88750 On this number you can WhatsApp. 88750 I will send.